a question here.
Go ahead.
So as far as I understood, it's worse to say God's name in vain than to maybe stealing when eating and we are unsure.
Yes. So it's actually one of the 10 commandments not to take the name of you got in vain.
So stealing comes next, after.
Yes, still, but still there. It's not exactly stealing. I mean,
because Rabbi Lev said that it is better not to say God's name in vain. He said that in a Shiur.
Exactly. So I mean, it's in some sense it's like catch-22, right? So you have to say Brach, but you have to say correct Brach. So basically that's why we learn. So sometimes you're not sure. So before you eat, you can check. Today we have different resources. So in olden days, you would go to Rabbi or you go to somebody knowledgeable and ask him a question. So today, many times you have you have books or you have reliable websites. When you have check, you can check what blessing to make, right? Or today, for example, you can contact the kasher agency, whoever kasher that item, what was. Right, and you can ask them what bracha to make. So sometimes it's not clear what bracha to make, and they have to tell you what bracha to make. You understand? But you cannot start eating until you determine what bracha to make. If that's all food you have, and it's pikuach nefesh, that's a different story. But other like Rabbi says this example many times that somebody. Send them a wrapper from a candy, I don't know from what, and he said, this person asked, is it kosher? So Rabbi Reuben asked, like, what happened to the candy? But this guy said, no, I ate it. So first you ate and then you ask. No, that's not Jewish way. First we try to investigate, we try to understand what bracha to make, and then you eat, right? So. Of course, there is in a case of the need, you say shehakol, that should cover everything, but it's only like when you have no choice and there is no way for you to check. For example, today is Shabbos, today holidays, and there is the only food available and you're not sure. But otherwise, I go through this.